Welcome! This video shows you how to connect SAP SuccessFactors with your employee self-service agent so your team can securely access essential HR data and boost productivity. To begin, in Copilot Studio, go to Settings. Click on Customize. Find SAP SuccessFactors and install it. Create a connection for the SAP OData connector. Add new connection. Under Authentication type, use Microsoft Entra ID using SuccessFactors Preview. This is the recommended connection type. Fill in the values based on the SuccessFactors documentation and sign in. When choosing an account, select one that has permissions to read records from SuccessFactors. Once you've authenticated, wait for the installation to finish, which should take 1 to 2 minutes. Once the installation is completed, refresh the list of topics. You should now see the SuccessFactors topics as part of the list. The next step is to connect to SuccessFactors to ensure it's talking to the SS agent. Click on topic named Admin User Context Setup. Add to the topic by creating a variable. Set the value of the variable to a formula provided in the SuccessFactors documentation. Once you've added the formula, you can see that the variable type has already been updated to string automatically. Now proceed further and add a new node under Topic Management. Select Go to another topic and select SuccessFactors System Context Initializer. Click Add Input to the variable var_username. We need to connect it to the value we just set in the previous step. Once you've completed this step, save the topic. The ESS and SuccessFactors connection setup is done. Let's test it with a few prompts. When I ask about my employee ID, the ESS agent successfully retrieves my employee ID from SuccessFactors. It also works when I ask about my salary or job role. Congratulations! You've successfully connected SuccessFactors with the employee self-service agent.